Today I'm going to show you how to open a padlock without no keys. I'll just show you. I've done nothing to the padlock at all. It locks properly. It unlocks properly. I haven't sabotaged it or damaged inside it. That's the key to it. Got 2 keys here. It's a 7-pin lock. We don't need any keys. I was going to use a file, but that's going to be in the way of the camera. So that's how all I'm going to use is a sewing machine needle. I got the sewing machine needle here. Let's get started. Put your tensioner tool in here, or screwdriver or whatever. And because the lock undoes this way, the lock undoes to the whole barrel turns to the right. So we've got to make sure we turn the tensioner to the right with light pressure. Just put the tensioner in there. I've got that set up. I've got light pressure on it. Get our sewing machine needle. You can use this both ways. That's the first pin. Second pin. That's the third pin. That's the 4th pin. That's the 5th pin. That's the 6th pin. And there you go, unlocked. With a sewing machine needle. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay legal. Don't go, getting a sewing machine needle and a tensioner, or, going around breaking in people's sheds and stuff. So yeah, this is only for demonstration purposes.